William here at the Gay Garden and looking up birdies here. um, Quite a collection here at the Gay Garden of birds. Um, I think that was a cardinal that's been around here for quite some time. Also, I saw here down at the creek like a swallow, something that looked like a swallow. And the other morning, I spied with my four little eyes something that looked like a blue jay. Um, and I didn't know if like blue jays like existed here in Middle Tennessee. So I had a conversation with some homeless man on the bus who's been here, who was born here. And he said, yeah, that probably was a blue jay you saw because, they are around here. They're not, you know, they exist here in Middle Tennessee. It's an October evening here at the crash site of the Dutchman train tragedy here. Um, as the sun falls.